Next up on our Did You Know solar system series, all moons, planets, and everything in between, we have Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and is the second of the Jovian planets, and it is also the second largest planet in our solar system following Jupiter. And while Saturn is not the only planet in our solar system to have rings, it does have the most spectacular and complicated set of rings, and it's really well known for its rings. Similar to Jupiter, Saturn is also made up mostly of helium and hydrogen, and about 9 Earths would fit across Saturn's diameter. Saturn takes about 10.5 to 11 hours to rotate once on its axis. We call that a Saturn day, but it takes 29 Earth years to complete one orbiter on the Sun. So if you're 29 years old, you would be 1 year old on Saturn. Like I said before, Saturn is really well known for its ring system. It has really prominent rings. Everybody refers to rings and Saturn, not so much the other planets that have rings, but Saturn has 7 rings. They all have gaps in between them, really prominent, beautiful system. But in addition to that, Saturn also has moons. Somewhere between 53 and 82 moons. Some are awaiting confirmation still, but a ton of moons in addition to the rings. Saturn is truly spectacular. A few spacecraft missions have visited Saturn, and the Cassini spacecraft was actually intentionally vaporized in Saturn's atmosphere in 2017. So some of Saturn's mass, about 2 tons of it, is actually from here on Earth. Going along with that whole vaporizing spacecraft in the atmosphere, Saturn is a gas giant, so it does not have a solid surface like Earth, but it might have a solid core somewhere. We're just unsure. Saturn's atmosphere is made up, again, mostly of hydrogen and helium, as I said before. And that leads us to the big question. Is there life on Saturn? No. Saturn cannot support life as we know it currently, but there is a chance that some of Saturn's moons might have conditions to support life. More studies have to be conducted for that one, but hopefully you just learned a little bit more about Saturn. You found it really cool. I feel like a lot of people love Saturn because of its rings, but maybe you learned something new about it on this Did You Know episode. And of course, as always, don't forget, science is cool.